3 ways to remove write protection from USB pen drive. So if you want to remove the write protection from USB pen drive, then what you need to do is first you need to search for Registry Editor, and you need to open up your Registry Editor, click on yes, and you'll get this kind of interface. Right. Now under your Registry Editor, you just need to simply go with Computer, and once you enlarge your computer, you need to go with HKey Local Machine. Under your HKey Local Machine, you need to go with System, and under System, you need to go with Control Set, and then enlarge the control, and under Control, you need to go with Storage Device Policy. So if you find the storage device policy right here, you can simply go and open it up. But if you don't have that, then what you need to do is just go with the control option. Right click on your control, go with new, and then key. And you need to rename the key as storage device policy. Now, once you've done that, you just need to simply click on the folder. Once you click on it, now go with the right side and right click on it, go with new, and then you need to go with DWORD 32-bit value or keyword. So in my computer, or in my case, I have 64 bits, so I'll be choosing that one. And then you need to rename it again as WriteProtect. And once you've done with that, now double click on it and then make sure that the value data is 0 and then go with OK. And once you've done with all of these, now you just need to simply go back and you need to open up your command prompt. Go with CMD or search for command prompt, go with run as administrator, and then click on yes, and here you need to enter some commands. So the first command goes like disk part, and then hit the enter, and now it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with list space disk and hit the enter again, and here you will have all of your disk. So what you need to do is you need to select the disk. So to select your disk, you need to go with SELECT, select space disk space, and enter the disk name. You can go with your disk 0, 1, 2, any disk that you have. So for example, I'll be choosing 0 and then go with enter. Now it has been selected, right? Now you just need to simply enter attributes space disk space clear read only, and after that hit the enter, and it will clear all of your disk attributes if you have any. And after that, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can remove your write protection from USB pen drive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.